under your Duchess Club or whichever wing you want to make it. And we will charge an annual affiliation fee for the Pushpa Bitan main body,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
Which I found out, Sujata, is 10,000 rupees a year.
Okay.
But since if you join mid-year, we will consider it pro rata, however it is that way.
Okay.
And because our year starts from April
Okay.
to March, accounting year. Now the advantage is that we keep on having workshops and meetings and other things. So you will get invitations to all of them.
Hmm.
Plus, we get to know what is happening in all the WAFA countries
Hmm.
because we are members of WAFA. So that means we get the news from all the member countries. See, every country is not active, but whichever country does what, we get the news. So we share it with the chapter. Okay. And for every workshop that we do, we have two rates. One is a members rate and one is a guest rate. So the moment the chapter becomes a member, so we will send the information to the chapter head, and they will then, if it's a chapter member, they get the members rate,
Okay.
and if it's a chapter guest, they get the guest rate. Frankly, so that is a big advantage. And just now, like we had this workshop from Singapore. So our next workshop is going to be, we are talking to somebody from New Zealand, from Thailand. We want to, because amongst our members we keep on having. So people are quite saying that now, why don't you get people from outside? So we work out the costing. Wait, this much is the fees for the teacher. This is the cost of the material. Many times it happens that we make kits, and many times we send a list. It depends whether the list is, you can procure the list. We will give you, say, many things are available on the Oasis site.
Mm-hmm.
So we will send you the details that, okay, you get this. Or many times, like this time we did this workshop with Christiane from Singapore. So she gave us the material and we got it all together, and then everybody distributed it or picked it up, whatever. But that depends, it's very general. So the advantage is that you get to know about what's happening in the floral world in many countries. And whenever there will be, अभी तो कोई show का कोई, New Zealand has cancelled. The show which was in New Zealand, Sujata, has been completely cancelled. But they're planning to have seminars and things. They've sent out offers. So whenever anything happens anywhere in the world, you will get to know. And you can, supposing you're traveling to some place. So if there's a big show there, you will get to know that, okay, this is happening, so I can book tickets or whatever. I mean, you are in the know of a different world, basically.
True.
That is the, I would say in a nutshell, that is the advantage. And how you will operate it is very difficult. You will, from our side, we will appoint Lily as the coordinator.
Okay.
And from your side, you can appoint one person or two persons as the coordinator. So it's easy to coordinate. I mean, then they can talk to each other, ask questions or whatever it is. I'm suggesting Lily's name because you are familiar with Lily, frankly.
Yes, yes.
And Lily is one of our, we have three very senior people, and Lily is one of them.
Yeah.
So we have three people who have done the teachers training. So Lily is one of the teachers trained people. So it's
Sujata
very
will be the
senior
main
person.
coordinator for Chennai, and then I will be assisting Sujata. That's what we were talking about. So
very good, whatever. And frankly, that's perfectly fine. But because Lily is one of our very senior persons, so that's why I suggested Lily's name, because
yes, ma'am.
she
Yes,
knows.
we need someone to be like a mentor there who knows it all.
Yeah, because she
She's
knows all the
perfect,
rules and everything, and she's been teaching and things. And her latest thing is that she learned Japanese language. Can you believe it? She just gave a Japanese language exam last week. So she one more feather in her cap now. So that's the thing. So whenever you decide, Sujata, you all can decide how you want to operate within yourselves. We don't need to know. But another thing which I just want to share is that this is exclusively to do with plants, flowers, nature. I mean, nothing to do with, like, I'm giving a stupid example, like cooking and things like that. We even have, many times we have craft. Like we did a macram thing with jute, and we did, so anything, any craft work which is associated with plant material also, we do. So it's not only that you have to do flower arrangement or anything, it's Supposing you have something which you feel that you would like to share, so it's a two-way thing. It's not just a one-way traffic
True. Fabulous.
thing.
So
Yeah.
we're looking forward to that chapter to start.
I'm also quite thrilled
Yes.
that we're expanding our wings. And Lily, apne to Chennai chalo ab.
More than ready.
So which are the cities which you have the branches, Kavita?
We have Mumbai
Yes.
and we had Jaipur, but Jaipur died a natural death after the World Show, frankly.
After the World Show. Okay.
Yeah, that before that they were active. Uske baad they had the thing. So
The World
And-
Show in Jaipur was just awesome. It was such a masterpiece that I can't tell you how it was organized. It's a huge marathon which was done under the leadership of Kavita ji, and I was very lucky to be there and help in whatever way I can and observe everything. How people from all over the country had come, and you won't believe it was just before the pandemic. Just
Yes.
before the
Yeah,
pandemic.
and it finished on the Sunday, and on the Monday the first case came up in Jaipur. Can you believe it? It was like, God had kept an umbrella over us and he said, now the thing is over. So now everything is, it was unbelievable.
And it was an Italian buy. I remember we used to have hugs with those 4 Italians every day. And I was just telling Manjari, I just hope they are not the Italians who have come positive.
No. And believe it or not, Sujata, everybody went on tours after the thing and not one delegate fell sick.
Yes.
Not one. Which is such a blessing. If you ask me, it's nothing short of a blessing. Because
Absolutely, it was
people came
God's grace.
I'm telling you, people came from Brazil, and you remember kahan se to aaye the, Argentina and kahan se. I mean, across the globe. So, and everybody reached back, everybody reached safe and unbelievable, frankly.
That was, thank God, everything happened.
Absolutely, it was a great blessing.
I think we have 40 people, Nina. Now we can start because it's 11:12.
Yeah.
Yes, Kavita Bhai, you can go ahead and
Now, I just wanted to share that since this workshop will take only very, very little time. So, in the night, I said it's not fair that, I just share just that workshop with you all. So, I want to share some very easy things which you all can do. Now, I was just telling them that what you did yesterday was very senior stuff, which is not like things which you can do for beginners or for a lay person, frankly. So what I want to share with you today is what you can do very easily. So I've just taken a bowl of water and I have this newspaper. This is normal newspaper, no trick. And there are 4 layers which are stapled together in the shape. I've taken the circumference of this and I've cut it and I've stapled 4 sheets. Now what I will do, I will float this on the water. Wait, it needs a little more cutting, sorry. I'm making a floating rangoli for you. So in the season which is coming, you all can all do this in your homes and you all will love it. I couldn't get my udli, but it looks very nice in an udli, which I'm sure you all have. So you all can all try it in the udli. Another thing which I want to share with you is that when you're working with flowers, make sure that you have a plastic or something underneath because nothing should drop on the floor because flower petals and flowers. Now this is floating here, right? And what I've done is that I've taken marigold, I've chopped it. I've chopped it with a scissor. And if what you can do, if you want to make a complicated design, you should draw it first and then put it. I'm just showing you the technique. So I'm just going to do a very simple design and show you just for the method that how easy and pretty it looks. And it stays like this, it lasts much more than when you do it without any newspaper. So it's just very, very simple.
so when we do it like this on the urli, then
Yeah.
the flowers won't even sink and it'll
Now,
look
and they
very
last,
fresh.
and they last so much longer, Sujata. You have no idea. And since it was a last minute thought, what I did, I raided the puja ka flowers. And I pinched some from there. I took apologies to Bhagwanji. I said, please, I'm pinching some of your flowers today because I need it. I'll just show you from the top also. 1 second. Can you see?
Yes.
I'm just doing very, very simple design so that it's not to waste time. Now, I remember once, we had an alumni get together. So I had made the symbol of our Lotus school in that, that emblem with the trefoil and that MHS.
Yes, the lotus.
Yeah, the Lotus. So if you have, say, a Duchess Club meeting, so if you have a logo, you can make that. Or if somebody, it's an anniversary, you can make the initials. Anything. I mean, you can use your imagination and do whatever you like. So I've just done that, and I've got these lovely orchids. Orchids I have to use because I was in orchid house, Sujata.
In our school, we have the houses in the names of flowers.
So I was in orchid house, so orchids I have to use in everything, you see. But the thing is, if I use the full orchid, it will sink. You have to be very particular about what you use. It has to be lightweight. So I'm sort of, I would say, I should not use the word, but I'm kind of stripping the orchid of its thing. But so what? I mean, and then I can use the other parts differently. So you can do what you like. I mean, if you want, you can make it a little busy. Okay. Another thing is that I remember one of the girls, she had made a peacock like this. She had drawn it and then she had taken 2 or 3 containers and continued the thing. It looked stunning. And she had used those orchids which they dye in blue color and sell, which I find quite funny, but they were looking stunning in that. So it depends actually what you want, what the purpose is. So you can always make your design, you can make it pretty, you can make it whatever you like. Can you see?
Yeah, beautiful.
Quite, yeah. And what I did is that the same Aurelia leaves also, I cut them into small bits, and you can even use these bits also if you like. You can keep on making it as intricate as you like, placing it individually, because not in the bunch. Because if you put it in the bunch, it's bound to sink. So be a little gentle, be a little easy, and you'll love what you're doing. It's so easy, anybody can do it. So I thought before we start, and this is, some people wrote that their flower material got bad. I was feeling so guilty. I said I took all the effort of putting it so well, and in that if something got bad, I was feeling really guilty. So I said no, I have to give them some gift so that they feel that they've got something. So whatever it is, what you can do is that if you want, this needn't be done the same day. You can do it the day before you have, and it stays absolutely fresh. So on the day of say you have a puja or you have a, just now in Savan, I don't know whether in the south you do the Abhishek and all that. But whatever you have, we have Navratri, we have all kinds of festivals and things, religious, spiritual. You can just do what you like, and easy, simple,
Question
and
here,
very
please.
Asha, could you be louder?
May I ask a question here, please?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you. The paper that you place, it's over the water, na, Kavita ji?
Yeah, it's floating on the water. Yeah, it will
Okay.
not sink.
But wouldn't the paper get soggy after a period of soaking, Kavita ji?
Doesn't matter. It is already soggy.
Acha. Okay.
But that doesn't matter. It does not sink.
Acha. Okay.
That is something which is very, very, I've tried it many times and it's done.
Thank you.
So that's quite
Soggy, I think it will help to give little moisture to the petals.
Yeah, it keeps the thing moist, you see. And if you just do plain, if you just do on floating, if you've seen in floating rangolis in the hotels and all, they do it, if you remember. They
Yes.
just put it in the water, so they have to change it every day because then the water starts rotting. Here, the water does not rot.
It will remain
There is
crystal
no
clear.
smell. So can you see now properly?
Yes, we can.
It's a very simple, I've made a very, very simple design just to teach you, share with you how easy things can be done.
Yes. We have with us, ma'am, Jayanti Murugesh. You can unmute yourself, Jayanti. She is a column queen here. She does all the different kinds of floor columns.
Oh, wow.
She would love to do this, I'm sure.
And then you can do the column design in this also.
Yes.
I mean, if you draw it on the paper and you can do it in a bigger thing. Because of time, Saint, I chose a small bowl. But if you can do it in a big thing, you can do it small. You can even use it as a center table decoration for your dinner or lunch.
Yes. Thank you.
Supposing you've got somebody coming all of a sudden and you don't have anything, you can just, these marigolds and things you get at every nook and corner. You can just call for some and do it up, and it looks very pretty and very festive.
Thank you.
So I thought I can share this with you as a starting, as a auspicious beginning to our new venture.
Ma'am, can you just show it once more, ma'am, please?
I will send a nice picture also.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, thank you.
yeah, definitely. I'll take a nice aerial view picture and share it. Okay. Yeah, I can share it with you, but you will not like it, unless I take a proper picture. I can share it. And now I've come up, I thought of another very interesting thing. Now this is a band-aid, right? Now you always say flower arrangement. What does the band-aid have to do with flower arrangement? None of us have got hurt, and we hope nobody's got hurt. But this is a real excellent thing, and you all will love it. I can guarantee. Okay, now this is the normal band-aid. You will just open it. I just want to, I'm doing it from step one so that you all don't think, you all think I'm not hiding anything. It's okay. I'm not hiding anything from you. So just open the band-aid. To wear my reading glasses. Now, a band-aid is there, right? Now, the band-aid has two sides. This is the side you will stick onto the wound. And this is the side which is outside, right? So what we are going to do is that now, when many times nowadays people have these things, I'm allergic to this, I'm allergic to that. Nobody is allergic to a band-aid, frankly. So what I'm making a wrist decoration with the band. It's like you're using this surface, the top surface, and you're decorating it. And then whenever you want to welcome somebody, or you want to wear it, or you want to gift it, the person, you just have to strip the backside and stick it on. So this is something which I love, and I thought I must share with you all as a good idea. So I collected all the little bits and pieces which somebody was talking about earlier. So this is a dried fern, which I pressed, like, we press flowers in our books like that. Sujata, it's okay if I continue now?
Absolutely. Please do.
Yeah.
Loving it, ma'am.
So, and so I just want to share with you that you just have to, and this is my favorite. I don't know how many tubes I consume in a month. It's okay. I buy them in the dozens. This is the best thing by Fevicol has created, frankly. And you use a small scissor for this. And many times we even use a tweezer. I'm just sharing with you because many times, you have to pick up things, you can't pick them up with your hands. So we keep a tweezer. These are just the tools that you need. So I'm just sharing it. First, you'll build up the base and then you'll add the small flowers and things. Now I had this bit of lace left also. So I said, why not use this? What I mean to say is that you can use anything, bits and pieces, like somebody was saying, that collect all the bits and pieces. So collect all your bits and pieces and use it. I hope it's visible.
Yes, it is. It is.
So first of all, you're building the base, and then I'll do just half just now, and then when I'll finish it and post a picture later, because otherwise we'll spend a lot of time. First you build your base, and then you add your little flowers, little bits of flowers, and it's all dry material. Nothing is fresh, but you can do it with fresh, but then you'll have to use it immediately. And supposing, Sujata, you have something like peach over there?
Like?
Peach,
Yeah.
yeah. So then this is a lovely thing to welcome everybody when they have a Tej festival or something like that. So it's just that you put your bits and pieces together, and you make different colors and match it to the outfit of the person, and make them wear it when they come as a welcome.
So Tej is a festival which is celebrated by the North Indians, which is just going round the corner. It's going to be coming now.
It's actually a celebration of the monsoon, frankly,
Yes.
because in Rajasthan, monsoon means life. So that's why. And then all the women get together and they put a swing and they enjoy and sing songs and put mehndi and have fun. That's it, basically. Now, I've even found this little Javitri, kya bolte hain usko English mein?
It's one of the spices like cinnamon.
Nutmeg, I think.
Yeah, nutmeg. Yeah.
Nutmeg.
So
Yeah.
I like this color of the nutmeg. I found this beautiful thing. So I said, even if you have nothing else, you can put a little bit of nutmeg also in it to give that little orange color, which you like. Can you see now?
Beautiful it's looking.
So like this, you can make it this side and the other side will be facing the other side. And then you join it and it looks so pretty. Can you imagine you're putting it on your wrist like this as a band, giving it as a gift when somebody comes to welcome them. And the best thing is the people are not allergic to it. Nowadays, a lot of people say, oh, I'm allergic to wire, I'm allergic to flowers and this, that. Here, there's no question of any allergy or anything, frankly. So I thought I must share this simple thing, but very interesting thing with you.
Yes, very pretty.
And it's done with all little odds and ends. You don't need to buy anything. I mean, you can put whatever you find, whatever is at hand, and this thing. So I just thought I'll do this. And now we'll go on to the main workshop. Any questions? Sujata, you'll do the comments on the chat box. Huh?
Yes, I am reading it.
Yeah. Now, this is the box, right? Now I have to tell you everything about how to make the box also. The thing is that this box is a normal plastic box, first of all. Now, this paper is there, and I didn't realize that this paper will not be enough for the sides. So, and this paper I had bought online and there was not enough time to buy. So you don't think that, oh my God, what will happen? So I had this light green paper, so I put it on the sides, and these have been stuck with double-sided tape. The thin one, not the one with the sponge. It's the normal double-sided tape, which is called Wonder Tape, or no, what is it? Lily, what is it called?
It's a double-sided thin tape.
Yeah, the thin one, which doesn't have a sponge in the middle.
Sir, yes, it's called a thin transparent tape.
No, it's not transparent.
No, it's a double-sided
it's
transparent tape.
Yeah. So I've pasted it all everywhere so that it's in place. Now, here, we have taken a plastic box, a plastic not seal king, the other one, the Ziploc kind of thing.
A polythene.
Polythene, yeah. And from one polythene, we take out 3. From one side, this side, this side. 3, we don't waste. And from one oasis, we cut 4. I just want to share with you so that you're not wasting. And then in the polythene, you put this, cut it to size and place it. And then that also, And then to cover the front, we have put this in the end. This paper. This is, I've used a brown color because I want to give the effect of earth. And this is a very interesting paper. It's called washi paper, Lily. I
Not
think-
sure about the washi paper.
You
Yeah.
can put it on the chat box, the name of the paper.
Yeah.
So this is, I mean, this was available. I had some leftover. I don't know whether you get it or not, but that Lily will know.
This is the paper which got holes in it, no?
Yeah, this is the
Yes.
one. Which has got
It's not
holes.
available now. I think only one color or maybe
Yeah.
because this is the person used to get it, he doesn't have it anymore.
Okay. Anyway, but I had some leftover, so I thought I'd
Yeah.
put this an earthy color. So now you know how to make it, and you can make it in any size. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. Now you will wonder why this idea of a box. The idea of the box is because you can make it after the bouquet, you can close it, tape it, and then courier it to a friend also who's out of town. And I agree that the gulmukhi, which gulmukhi is the purple flower, which is also called, in English, it's called bachelor's button. By the way, I love that name. So I remember it. But it's called Lily Gomfrena kya hai?
बैचलर्स बटन ही बोलते हैं भाई उसको, साइंटिफिक नेम खोज रहे हैं क्या आप?
Something with G it is. Gomfrena or Gomfrena, whatever it is. Anyway, so you have to choose flowers or choose materials which will last. So that doesn't matter. And I can assure you, I have tried it. The box with the flowers and with everything stays at least a week. Is that okay? So
Yes.
now, what you will do, you will have to
True,
wet the oasis first. So I've got this mug. I told you how to keep a bottle of water. This is normal tap water. Be careful, don't overflow it because it will be, and you all will watch now, you all will not work. Please watch and then work after that. Okay. So I've just poured water on my thing. And see, like a stupid person, I poured extra. It's okay. Now I will start with my dry material first.
So we don't work along, we do it later.
No, I will work. I will show a few steps, Sujata. Then you all will work. Then I will work again.
Okay.
Huh. Now this is limoleum. It is dry limoleum. Okay. Now you have to make sure that the height is enough. So you have to chop a little bit. Make sure that the thing is, now we have to, you can't have a flat top. It has to be an undulating design, right? But you have to start with the highest point. And start from the back. Can you see? I've pushed it to the back. So that there is another layer which I can put in the front. And I've got this, you've got this grass. Billy, this is your grass.
My grass.
That your Japanese
The-
wala.
Okay. Okay.
Isn't this called
Tanaka.
munna grass?
No, this is a grass which we had got, which this Japanese guy had got, and he charged us a bomb for it. But anyway, but this is any grass you can use, frankly, dry grass. And you can use anything. I mean, I had this, so I used it. And this is that wheat,
Jwar.
bomb sheesh, dyed. And whatever you use, make sure that you use it in groups. Not कि एक यहाँ लगाया, एक वहाँ लगाया, एक वहाँ नहीं. In such a small area, if you scatter something, it starts looking very clumsy. So you will use it. I've given you 3. Whatever I've given you, I've got the same thing. So what I've done is that I've built the 2 corners. Can you see? I built this corner and this corner. So now you all can start and do the 2 corners, please. You'll have extra linoleum left over, huh? So don't worry.
So once you are ready, you want to show, please switch on your video so Sujata can pin you. and I can
Well,
see
there's
it.
nothing too much to discuss, really. We can even, kind of.
Yeah.
But I hope this is clear. It's simple and clear. Lily, you see the designs. In the meantime, I'll finish the band-aid.
Yes. Just Sujata, can you pin Anju?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
ज्यादा जपना तो कर नहीं पाई.
You tell me how to do it, I would do it.
No problem. She's done.
That looks fine. Looks absolutely fine. Yes. Perfect, Sujata. Perfect, Sujata. Can you just hold it up a bit? I cannot see it. Yeah. Can you make the 3 stems a little up and down? The 2 shorter ones are looking the same height from Ramnath's iPad. I don't know who you.
Yeah, I'm Chandra here.
Yeah. So, yeah. Can you make the shorter 2 a little up and down? The 3 of them are looking, one is tall, the other 2 are the same height. So make one a little shorter. Yes, Rathi ji, perfect.
Is it okay? Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, please.
Yeah, looks good. Yes.
Good, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, you okay?
3T.
Is this okay now?
Yes, it's okay. Preeti, can I just see it again? I can't. Yeah.
Is this okay?
Preeti, can you make it nearer to each other? They are too scattered. Your orange stalks, that wheat grass, that orange thing.
Is mine okay?
Just make it nearer to each other.
Is this okay?
Yes,
Mine-
now. Yeah. And
I'm
you
just
can,
adding one by
Preeti,
one.
yours is okay.
Ma'am, this is okay.
Mine okay?
Yeah.
Is this okay?
Yeah, Anju, it's okay.
Shraddha,
Krishnur, can you just lighten your limoniums? You've put too many. Make it half.
Is this
Shraddha.
all right?
Is this
Shraddha is okay.
What
Shraddha,
about-
it's okay.
Is this okay? I'm Lakshmi here.
I can't see you.
Ma'am, this is Sukumar.
1 second. I'm just trying to highlight you all. 1 second. Can I just put gallery view?
Gallery view, though I have. But then they become too small.
Okay, one by one, I'm just adding on. Shall we?
This is Soman here. Is it okay?
So, shall we? Yeah, it's looking okay.
Thank you.
I am Radhika here. Is this fine?
Yeah, Sumanji, I think आप थोड़ा सा छोटा बड़ा करिए. Make it a little shorter. All 3 are looking quite similar.
The
Suman,
orange-
Height.
the
In the
orange
height,
one.
just make it a little shorter. One of them.
Okay.
Yes, Radhika, all good.
Thank you.
I'm Lakshmi. Is this okay? Aditi here.
Yeah, I can't
She
see
needs
what-
to pin.
1 second. I'm just trying to get you. Is your video on?
Of these, right? The orange one
Aditi, one-
together. Do we use all the 3 together?
Yes,
or
Aditi, I can see yours. But you haven't put that grass at the back behind your orange ones. That grass which Kavita Bai has put, you have forgotten to put that.
the brown grass.
Yes, yes, Aditi. Yes, Lakshmi, looks good.
Thank you.
Lily, you'll tell me when to go to the next step, okay?
1 second. Is everybody shown it?
Yes.
Nina, you can show yours.
I still can you just move it a little more?
Move it towards your.
Yes. Perfect, Nina.
Anybody else wants to show? Shraddha has already been seen.
I have put in the grass
Yes.
now.
I'm Suma here.
Yeah, 1 second. I'll just highlight you where you are. Aditi is better. Yeah, Aditi is okay. Suman, I can't see you, Sumangai. Can you show your box?
This is Suma. Is this okay or should I have some greens on the right hand side?
No, it's okay. Just show me.
Yeah, it's better now. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Okay. I think Bai, you can go to the next step now.
Okay, now I'll go to the
Uma?
next step.
Yeah.
Suma, where's your grass behind? We can't see. You put the other way around. Lily, you can correct her, please.
Oh, okay. I'll
Yes.
do that. I'll
Yeah, you've put the grass on the other hand where the, I think you haven't used limoniums. You
No,
put the grass only on both their ends.
okay. I'll do that now.
Yes.
Okay, so now we go to the next step. Is now, you see, we always have to start with the taller material and then go on to the shorter material. So now the next material which we are going to use are the chrysanthemums, the button chrysanthemums. These are the button chrysanthemums. Okay. Now please remember their leaves are not very good lasting. So when we are using these, you have to strip the leaves. Like supposing this is the stem that you have to strip all the leaves and make sure that they are like this. And no leaves. We don't need leaves. And you don't need to put the whole bunch together also. Is that okay? I've stripped the leaves and I'm going to disintegrate the bunch because otherwise it will look very clumsy. We have to put them one by one. I made 3 from 1. So now I'm going to put it one by one and I'm going to put it near my limoleum because the limoleum is very dull and this will give it a thing. Now, as Lily was explaining, that they have to be of a varied height. They can't be like of the same height, though you might have the same height in the bunch, but you have to make sure that they are of a varied height. And push them towards the back as much as you can. So you all can start stripping your chrysanthemums. 1 second. Or I'll just show you and then you can do it. We have enough time. It's okay. Won't take long. And again, I'm going to group it together so that, and you have small ones. So you're going to put the small ones in front and the big ones at the back. Please understand, because you're creating a kind of a landscape effect where if you put the big ones absolutely right to this thing, it is kind of so. Or if you want, you will put the small ones at the top also, no problem. Depends. There's no hassle. I think rather the small ones will look nicer on the top. Hey, Lily?
Yes, Bai.
That is the ones which are with the buds.
Hmm.
So in the meantime, everybody can just clean up their stems, remove the dried leaves.
Can you see how it's looking? It's kind of coming into a kind of a bush. So you all can start creating it and doing it. I think let's put a stop here and see if we need later, we will start. Lily, I'm making a phone call just to set something.
Yes, yes.
And I'll this thing, okay?
Yes, yes. Yeah, Jayu. Just a second.
That's Shraddha. Lily, you can have a look. That's Shraddha.
Yes. Okay, Shraddha.
Yeah, you
Uh,
Now, 1 second. Just adding it. Somebody can please switch off the
Sujata, can you lift it a little?
yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Perfect.
1 second, Rafi. I'm just spotlighting you. Okay.
Yes, it's looking good. Looking good.
Okay, 1 sec, Jayu.
Yeah. Take your time.
Rachizi is
you.
looking good.
Thank you.
Yeah, even yours looking good.
Kushnur, it's fine.
Yeah, Krishnur is fine.
Yes, Aditi, 1 sec.
Aditi, you need to give a little tall ones also. You've all made like medium to small. Can you give one or two a little tallish?
I don't have any taller.
Oh, okay, doesn't matter then. Jayu, it looks good. Even आपका भी अच्छा लग रहा है.
Chandra, it's nice.
Yeah, Chandra.
Yeah.
Nice.
Can you just highlight mine, Sujata?
Yes, I will. Where
Thank
are you?
you.
Want to? 1 second, Anu, I can't see you. 1 second. Jeff, 1 sec, Jeff. Where are you? 1 second. I'm just doing it one by one, please.
Okay.
That's Suman. Anju.
Suman, you need to give a little smaller ones coming towards the bottom. All of them are like really tall.
You're fine. Anju, yours is okay.
Yeah.
And this is Anchal's.
Yeah, I think Anchal needs to put this a few
Little smaller ones in front, yes. And Radhika's your looks gray, okay also.
Sujata, can you?
Even Alpana is good.
What? Fine. I'm Lakshmi here.
Yeah, 1 second. I'm just coming to you. Can you just hold on? Jeff, 1 sec, Jeff, I'm highlighting. Yeah, that's Jeff.
Yes, looks good.
Sukumar, 1 second. Yes, Sukumar.
Yeah, it looks good. Only one or two a little chota in the center, small ones.
Put 1 or 2 small ones, Sukumar,
Yeah.
in the
Okay,
center.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Hindu, it looks good.
Yes, 1 sec, Vibha, I'm highlighting you. 1 second. Yes, Padma.
Padma, do you have some long stems left with you?
Yeah,
Something taller stem, one or two taller stem? Who's this iPhone Vibha? I think
Don't
you
have
need
tall
to-
stems. Most of them are short.
Okay. iPhone Vibha, I think there are too many flowers in it. You need to reduce it a little and make a little shorter ones. That might, reduce one or two flowers and make them shorter near the base.
Okay, Anu Sachdev, you need to
Looks good.
readjust your flowers a little bit.
Uh-huh.
What? Sorry?
Uma Krishnan looks good.
I'm Lakshmi here.
1 second. Anu, you can tell Anu Radha.
Nina, it's good. Absolutely.
Nina's-
Anuradha, you need to take out that one flower which is going towards the orange. Going towards, yes, that one. Just take it out.
Lakshmi, it's good.
Ma'am, now
Yes.
it's okay, ma'am.
Radha Bhabi?
Yes, perfect.
Yes.
And Radha, now it's good.
Preeti, 1 second. I'm just...
Oh,
To
great.
Kumar,
Thank
it's
you.
good.
Is it
Thank you, ma'am.
fine now?
Can you give something on your left-hand side? I can see a lot of stems there. Can you give something shorter stem there?
This side?
Yes, yeah. A medium-ish
How's
kind of
mine?
a thing.
Suman Kagi now is nice.
Yes, now it's good.
I think now it's okay, Sujata?
Yes.
Now it's fine.
Oh.
Anuradha,
mine?
yours is okay. Yes,
How
it's
is
fine.
mine? How is mine okay? Sujata aunty, is it
Yes,
fine
I'm just...
now?
You still have one of the long ones, which is
Going
into
towards the
center.
orange. You need to remove that one. A tall one going towards, leaning towards orange.
This one?
Yes, yes, yes.
Shelby, it's fine.
Thank you.
Will you tell me when to go ahead?
Yeah, bhai.
How is mine?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah.
Yes, it's perfect, Jenny. Very nice.
I
Anybody
think
else
everyone's
shown?
done.
I think everybody is shown.
Yeah, bye. So now you can go to the next step.
We will use these Ixora leaves now. It's okay? Now, whenever you're using any foliage, please make sure that whatever is going inside the oasis is free. Means these stems should be clean. What I mean to say is that you have to have clean stems, not foliage stems. That rots and that spoils the plant.
Could you repeat it once again, Kavita?
See, the stem has to be neat. If there's leaves at the base, you have to remove the leaves so that the stem is neat. You have to have a neat stem to go inside.
Yeah, the portion which goes inside should not have leaves in it,
Yeah,
which goes inside your foam.
yeah. And another thing is that if there are any damaged leaves, you have to remove them. You can't have damaged foliage in a design because you never know where they've all come from different sources. So, and you must remember that they've come to you after you're using it after 3 or 4 days. So if there is anything which is damaged, it should be removed and then you have to use absolutely the fresh part. Is that okay? So now and if you notice, we are using one material at a time. It's not that you're jumping. You're not using one and then using 2 stems of one and then going on to another. No, you will use one material and keep some extra leftovers in case you want to use it later. Okay. Now, one thing I want to share with you is that a little tilt in front is allowed, very slightly, because when we close the box, it will go back, it will go in, but then when you open the box, it will come out again. Just very little. Can you see how little is popping out? Just that much. I would say about half an inch. And I'm going to give that contrast with the background. I'm kind of doing the contrast, cleaning the stem, removing any dead leaves which I have on the stem, and then I'm putting it here. Is that okay? Now, height. It should be a different height to this. Don't make it the same height. If you feel that, yeah, the height is coming the same, make it little lower, because then the fun comes. You see, it's the undulated landscape which makes it interesting. And these have strong woody stems, so they look very interesting. And they remain sturdy also. And I have this tall one, which I want to use. So I will use the tall one at the back. Can you see? I'll use the tall one at the back to give my tree effect. This is tall and it's gradually coming down. So it has to have that variation of height also. And whatever it is, make sure that everything is nice and clean and then it is being used.
Do you wash the leaves?
Yes, they've been washed and sent, Sujata, to you all very well. But if you're getting fresh leaves, you must always wash them. And anything that you get from the shop or from the florist or from anywhere should be cleaned and dipped in water before you use it. Is that okay? And now everybody's flowers have gone limp. So have mine. No worries. What we will do, we will give these flowers a crutch. Now you will have to again remove the foliage because the foliage dies very fast. These flowers dry very well, so we can always use them. And these flowers we are going to put in the middle of these leaves. So they will be supported by the leaves. Are you clear now what I am going to do? these flowers are going to be supported by our Ixora stems. Can you see now? You can't see them limp. Mine have also gone limp. It's okay, doesn't matter. That's why I'm using it straight. And you have to make sure that you clean the stem. And then use it in between the Ixoras so that they look as if the Ixoras are blooming with this. You have to make sure that the height is there and you get the strong support of the woody stems. Is that clear? Can you see now? You don't mind the limp because it's being supported by the woody stem. So if anything goes limp or anything, don't worry. We've always got a solution for every situation. So I think you can do that and leave that little gap in the middle for the last portion. Lily, they can continue.
Yes, you all can please start.
These first the Ixoras and then these bachelor's buttons.
Sujata, you need to highlight Rathi ji.
Yeah, one second.
And you know, these flowers, because they are locally grown, they are not nursery grown. They will.
Rati, you're
become
very
big
quick,
flowers.
Rati.
Yeah. Yeah,
Deft
looks good.
fingers.
Yes, yes, looks
Thank
good.
you.
What happened to your paper in front of that?
I'll tell you about that later. Okay. What my maid did. I'll tell you about that later.
It's got a story to it.
Yes, yes. So this is okay?
Yes, absolutely.
But you can
fine.
put another paper.
Thank you
there's
so
no
much.
problem.
Thank you so much.
Yes, yeah.
Rati, you can put another paper.
I had put a paper at the back, white paper I had put now,
I know.
because I suddenly
No.
found my maid had just, I don't want to say it.
No,
where
you
is
can
the
put
other
a paper in
You
front
are
of the
talking about the
foam.
paper on the side, right? On the side.
No, on the front, in front of the foam, where the orange paper is for Mrs. Podar.
Where is that? Where is that? I can't.
That orange foam, that orange paper.
Ah, okay, okay.
Brown,
okay.
it's a
That
brown
any paper you can put.
I'll put it later. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Sujata, can you, Veena Krish here, can you just highlight mine?
Yeah. Veena Krish, where are you? I can't see you. I can't see you, Veena. I can see
Ah.
everything. 1 second.
Oh, I've turned the camera to the plants.
Sujata.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Aditi,
yeah,
I can
1
see
second,
yours. Aditi, can you put leaves thoda sa dur, halka sa karke, so your flowers can be seen? Your flowers all bunched together, so we can't make out.
Me, is it?
Anuradha, it looks good.
Thank you.
Veena,
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 Veena ji, you need to trim leaves a little bit. Your leaves are too heavy. Just take out, pluck a few leaves from your Ixora. Shraddha, yes, looks good.
Veena, you're fine. Just take out some leaves, she's saying. Is this
Yeah.
okay?
Okay,
Yeah,
I'm
Yeah,
done.
yeah,
Thank you.
Preeti.
Uma?
Yes, Preeti, looks good.
What about mine? And Chandra here?
Suma, yes, Suma, it's good. Suman, I can't see yours. I think you have to bring it a little down. It's become too high. It's good. Suma, for you, it's good. Yes, Suman,
We
it
have
looks
to
okay.
This
Um,
one.
Yes, Suman.
Do we
Am
have
I
to
okay?
the purple of its leaves?
Suma, yours is good.
No, my question was, do I have to strip it of its leaves? The purple.
How is mine?
I'm not able to use this one.
1 second, Chandra. I'm just highlighting you. Uma is okay.
Me too,
Am I
Sujata.
okay,
I
Sujata?
had some.
Thank you.
1 second.
Chandra ji, I can't see yours. Bring it down a little. I'm getting an elevated view. Aapka.
Asha, 1 second. I'm just highlighting.
Yeah, okay. Maybe one or two more flowers, Chandra.
Shelby, yours is fine. Divya, 1
Thank
second.
you.
Yes, Sasha, your flowers are popping out a little. Can you popping out too much? Can you just put it? Yes, yes.
Yes.
Divya looks good.
My flowers
able to
are all
use this
cross
one.
their heads.
What about mine? I'm Lakshmi here.
Yeah, 1 second. I'll just highlight you. That's Jeff. Very nice. Jeff.
Yeah. Yes, yes, good.
How is this? Please?
Jayu is looking okay.
What about mine?
1 second.
Vibha. Vibha, your flower is falling down. You need to prop it up with your woody stem. That one flower which is falling down.
Where are you, Lakshmi? I can't see you.
This is Anshul here. Is it fine?
Anshul, I'll just highlight you. That's Anshul, and Jeff says very nice.
Yes, Achal. Anju, good, look good. Yes. Good.
I'm not able to use this one. You're doing a decoration.
Is this okay?
Yes, Gigi, okay.
Is this okay, mine?
Who is this?
Lakshmi?
Yeah, Lakshmi, 1 second. I'm just highlighting.
Yes. You can maybe lessen a few flowers, I think.
Okay.
See how
So-
patiently Jeff is doing it.
Oh,
Jeffrey is doing it so nicely
Yeah.
and patiently.
Yeah, I'm not able to use this one, mine. Flowers.
Nina, are you done?
Even more patient than Jeff.
Ah, that's a nice one.
So there's pleasure in doing it like this, Sujata.
Yeah.
And at the same time, let me tell everyone, I'm also cleaning up at the same time.
You all are.
all of us are.
Is this fine? Is this fine? And Radhika here?
Yeah, 1 second. Just gonna highlight you.
Radhika, you have to take out a few flowers. And all your flowers are facing towards
I'm
the
done.
Other
Just,
side.
just
Make
we
them a
can't see
little
it
front
Nina, properly.
facing.
We can't see it. properly.
Radhika,
Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah, make them a few front
can't see
facing
it.
so the clump will become lighter.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Radhika's is crowded.
Yes, too many. And they're all going facing towards the other side. Neena ji, I can't see yours. You need to shift it.
Can you bring it down a little bit, the thing?
Camera, lift it up a little.
Or bring down your arrangement from the table. Just bring it down a bit. It'll show. We can't see it now.
I've corrected mine. Aditi.
Yeah, 1 second, Aditi. I'll come back to you.
Yes, it's looking perfect, Neena.
Aditi, where are you? 1 sec. I'm just coming to you.
How is mine? It's grouping all the time.
Suman Kai, I'll just highlight you.
Can you bring it down so I can see it?
Aditi, can you bring it down?
Yes.
Better.
Aditi is okay. A little more bunching of the same height, Aditi. Thoda sa ek do phool wahan se you have to remove.
You don't
Yes,
need
yes,
to
right
use
there.
everything you have.
Yes, okay, Sumanji. Yes, it's looking better now, Aditi. Yes.
Lily, it's done.
Yes. You can
Is
go
this
to the
okay?
next step
Uma
back.
here. Is this okay? Uma here.
Yeah, 1 second. I'll just bring it down.
Is
Sorry.
it okay, Jayashree here?
Who's it? Jayashree?
Is Jayashree? Yeah.
Yeah,
Is it
Jayashree.
okay?
1 second. I'll just add yours.
Is it okay?
Yes, it looks okay.
Okay,
And
thanks.
Uma Krishnavardhanan.
Yes, I'm just coming to you, Ma.
Yeah.
Is mine okay?
Uma, your camera is off, I think.
Oh.
Shall I go ahead?
Yeah, now I can see Uma. Just one more.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fine, Uma. Thank
Yes,
you.
looks good.
Thanks.
So now I can go ahead, Lily.
Is mine okay? Sapna here?
Sapna, your camera is not on.
Yes, bye. Please carry on now.
Yeah. So now the only material left is the Aurelia. We call it Dhania Aurelia here, but anyway, whatever name you like, this is the smallest material. So like I said, you go big to small. So the center area will be the area where we will be sing. You see, it's coming in a landscape. It is coming from this side and it is coming from this side and meeting at the center. So the confluence will always be there in the middle in this design, and we will put it in a way that it will cover the remaining area but at a lower level. Can you see how it's coming in?
Yeah.
And connecting everything and completing your picture. It's like you're making a picture actually. Like yesterday, I remember saying it's like a painting. Floral art or flower arrangement is like creating a painting in 3 dimensions. Please remember that. Whenever you remember that, you will always treat it like a painting. Can you see how pretty it's coming in? So simple, so easy, and so doable. And the little corner also, I'm going to complete it with the green because I don't want to leave any little corners empty. Can you see that little corner there also? I've completed it with the green. Never say finish and never use the word bharo because that should, you have to always think that you're completing the design because then your attitude is that you're completing it. Now, can you see how beautiful the landscape you've created? It's like a magic. And then, of course, we have our little wishes, which we made. And you can put your wishes in the middle, or you can make any other wish that you like and put it in the middle. I made it a little rustic and exotic so to go with the mood. And so whenever you send it with best wishes. Another option is that you can put a line and put it here, but I don't know, I find it. Now the moss, the most important part of it. And like PT was telling you about the Juda pins, we make our own Juda pins. All the bonsai people know about it. So I will do one thing. I will put a little moss here along the top to make it connected to the base. And I'm going to poke it in with the U-pins. These U-pins are just wires. It takes a little bit of an effort because there's a plastic lining inside. So you will take a little effort in poking it, so it doesn't matter. It will take time, but can you see how the little moss adds to the completeness of the picture? So now you all can go ahead and complete your design and make a beautiful landscape for yourself.
Kavita ji, can you repeat about the moss, please?
Yeah, I'm just saying about the moss. Yeah.
There's a dry moss part which you put it at the bottom with the U-pin provided.
Can you see where I put it, the moss? I just put a little
You
bit.
attach it with the U-pin.
Yeah. I've given you the U-pins also. These are the U-pins.
Okay. I can't find it.
The U-pin will be with the moss, Rati. It's with the moss.
Right. It's there. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay.
And you might have a little bit of a struggle to put the U-pin because there's a plastic inside. So don't worry. Struggle.
The plastic is much way below.
No,
Do we need to wet the moss, G? Do we need to moisten the moss?
No, you don't need to
no.
moisten the moss. No, it's just for decoration. It's not for utility. To give a finishing, I don't like that line finish, so that gives that natural finish to the thing. So just see. So now my design is kind of finished.
Gigi, can you just highlight Shraddha Vyas? Can you just shift it a little? The light is not falling well on it. I'm unable to. Yeah. Looks okay. Yeah, perfect. Have you put the moss?
Yes, I've done.
Okay.
You put the moss throughout the oasis, right?
No, I put it alongside, but not at the same level. Left it a little undulating, kind of natural. If you can see, it's hanging somewhere, it's close somewhere, just to give it a little natural feel.
Gigi, please highlight Rati.
Yeah, I'm doing. Sorry, girls. Even I was doing mine. That's why it's getting.
Yeah, you've put too much of moss. It's become very heavy. Just take out a few from here and there. Make
Okay.
it undulating kind of a thing.
Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you.
How about this?
Can I show mine, Suma?
1 second, I will.
Sujata, mine?
1 second, Anuradha. I'm just.
Yeah.
Yes. Suma, where are you?
You need to put a little more of those small green leaves, Anuradha. You can see the gap there.
What leaves? Acha, the summer. Okay. The dhania leaves, you mean?
Yes.
Okay.
Radha Bhabi, mine also.
Yeah.
Suma, your dhania leaves have really grown tall. Huh? You need to trim it and put it near the base.
Okay. Sure. Thank you.
Bhabi, mine as well.
1 second.
Yes, your one dhania patti is going up, that Aurelia. Just trim it down and otherwise, okay. Yeah, this one. Yeah.
Yes, mine, please. I'm Chandra here.
Aditi. Yeah, looks good.
Is mine okay?
Yeah, Aditi.
Yeah, Suman, Kaki, 1 second.
Yeah, Alpana, I've got a side view. Can you just turn your arrangement a little? Yeah. Yeah, looks good. Alpana. Perfect.
Thanks.
सुमन जी आपका भी बहुत अच्छा है. It's good.
What about mine?
Chandra.
Yeah.
Chandra is good. Have you
Thank
not
you.
put moss yet? No.
Yeah.
You need so put a little moss. Should a little hang a little in front also.
Oh. What about mine? And Lakshmi?
1 second, Lakshmi.
Veena Krishnor.
Yeah, Veena, 1 second. Oh, Lakshmi. That's got too much.
Yeah,
of
you put too much of Aurelias over there. You need to trim it and bring it lower.
This one?
Yes, too much.
Okay.
Veena ji, you have not put Aurelia at all.
Oh, okay. I'll do that now.
Yeah.
Am I okay?
What about mine, Sapna?
Sapna, I'm just highlighting you. 1 second.
Sapna, you need to put a little Aurelia in front of that placard you've put.
Okay.
You only put Aurelia on the sides.
Okay, thank you.
Sujata, this is Suman here.
Yeah, 1 second.
Yes, Suma, it's looking better. Just a little more Aurelia near the bottom and some moss.
Okay. Moss. Where do I put the moss?
Just see where she's put, Kavita ji, in the near the bottom, little unevenly.
Okay.
Sujata, is mine okay?
Yeah, 1 second. Who's that?
Tell me.
1 second. I'm just going to get you on the camera. 1 second.
Yeah. Really?
Everybody's
Everybody's putting moss on the
Sujata, is
face.
mine okay?
They're not putting it in front.
So sweet.
Really?
Jeffrey,
Yes.
Jeffrey.
I want them to put moss in front, not on top.
See, Jeffrey is very beautiful.
Oh,
Yeah.
beautiful, Jeffrey. Lovely.
Yes.
Jeffrey.
Yes.
Wow.
The green
I am
god.
Radhika. Is this fine?
1 second.
Really, they're putting moss on the top. I want them to
Yes,
put moss in the front.
understood. Yes, Gigi, looks great.
Sujata,
Is
can I
Lakshmi here? Is it okay?
Shelby, 1 second. I'm just going to add you.
Yeah, sure.
Sujata,
You
just
need to
highlight
put a
me.
little more moss, shall we, near where the purple flowers are.
Okay,
A
done.
little on that side.
All right.
Gigi, yours is perfect.
Mine is okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Is this
So-
fine? Here, is it okay?
1 second, girls. Who's this? Divya. 1 second. Divya. Yes, Divya.
Please check mine.
Divya's is nice, Divya.
Please check mine. Jayashree here, check mine, please.
Lily, can you check for Jayashree? Where's Lily? Lily?
Oh, I went on mute. Sorry. Can you just shift your Jayashree, tilt your arrangement a little? I'm getting a little side view. Yeah,
Okay.
you need to actually decrease a little bit of your area, and the moss needs to be unevenly distributed, not only on one side.
Oh.
Such, I'm done.
And you
Veena
looks
Krishna.
good. And you looks good.
Anji looking so pretty.
Can I see, can somebody see
Shelby also looks good.
the moss?
Thank you.
Sujata, can you highlight me?
Yes, I will. Krishna.
Thank you.
Anu from Pune. She got her parcel yesterday evening. There, Anu is.
See, Anu, beautiful.
Yes, Krishna. Can you bring down the moss a little? Like hanging down from there, not stuck onto it.
Yeah, Indu, 1 second. I'm highlighting you. Vibha, I'm highlighting you.
Veena Krish here. Can you just check mine?
Yeah. 1
Indu,
second.
it looks good.
Indu, done a good job, Indu.
Sujata, mine. Mera?
Vibha, you put too much of moss. You need to decrease it.
Lily, is mine fine? I'm Radhika here.
Yes, I'm getting there. 1 second.
Okay, okay, okay.
Lily,
Yeah, Radhika's video is off.
Radhika's videos are.
Yeah, now it's on.
Yeah. Sorry, yeah.
Mine?
You need to actually little lighten up your moss. Too much of moss, Radhika.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Veena ji, you put your moss on the oasis. We want it to come down from there, not on top of it. It has to go through the plastic, not yes. Jeffrey, you not put the moss on it?
Jeff, your moss has to come down on the paper. He's putting it.
Mine, Asha, Sampath.
Suma here. Is it okay?
1 second. Asha.
I'm Lakshmi here.
Asha, too much of moss. You need to lighten the moss. We need to see the paper beneath it. And can you take it a little back so I can see in whole? I can just see the... Yeah. So now you need to pin your moss over there a little bit and put a little more Aurelia. Lakshmi, yeah. Jayu, can you lift it up a little? Looks good. Yeah.
This is a gift to my sister. It's her birthday tomorrow.
Oh, lovely. Perfect. Suma, we need a little more moss hanging down from that paper.
Okay.
How about mine? Asha here. Asha, Sampath.
Asha, yours is 1 second.
Asha, can you just move it a little back so I can see it? Yeah. Too much of moss, Asha. The paper is lost in it. You need to reduce the moss a little bit, and even the dhania aurelia needs to come down a little bit.
Just a doubt. You want the paper also to be seen, is it?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Gigi, perfect.
Somebody's voice is echoing. Can you switch it off?
Sujata?
Yeah, one. I'm just highlighting. One by one, I'm highlighting.
Sujata, how is
Anju
it?
looks good. Looks good.
Here, can you
Yeah.
please look?
Sujata, I'm Lakshmi here. What about mine?
Yours is fine,
Anuradha.
Lakshmi. Yours is fine.
Sujata,
Okay.
mine is okay?
can you bring your Aurelia a bit shorter? There's one tall one over there.
This one?
No, the Aurelia, the small
Leaves,
dhania
the
leaves.
dhania leaves.
The tallest one, can you trim it? The tallest one. Yeah, this one. Trim it and bring it near where your board is of best wishes. Beneath it.
But if you have one more, you can add it.
You're telling me, no, I don't have any more. I don't have any
So
more.
you take that out and put it there.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Suma here, the moss.
Prakash, yes, Suma, I've highlighted you. I've
The
highlighted.
moss.
Suma, can you just take it at a little back so I can see it? So you need to put a little more dhania Aurelia near your green flowers. That lone stem is being seen.
Yeah.
You need to put a little small dhania there and then put a little moss which is hanging down from the paper.
I'll do that. Thanks.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Meena, yes, can you just push it a little back so I can see towards you? Yeah, now it looks okay. Perfect.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
All of you take pictures of your boxes and you can post it on the group. Take some nice photographs so we can put them on the Instagram page also.
So really, everybody become expert today.
Is this okay, Suma here? Should the paper be masked? Excuse me.
Kumar, your moss should hang up above the paper. The paper is seen totally.
The moss should come over the paper, Sukumar.
Yes.
Yeah, I understand. But then would it
Not
not fall out
contained
of the
within.
box? Would it not fall out of the box? Is my
No,
question.
you're putting it U-pin, no?
Yeah, okay. Okay, fine. I'll do that. Thank you.
So everybody's got the concept now, I hope. That it's just a concept. That now you can make it in anything. That this is just simple material, whatever material you want and this thing, but just make sure that the material lasts. Because supposing after making it, you're going to shut it, right? You're going to shut it, close it, and you must put sellotape on the sides. Otherwise, it has a tendency to open. And then you pack it nicely and send it. So everybody who receives it will be thrilled that they've got a bouquet in a box. And that is in a fresh material. So it makes a very nice surprise for anybody. I just want to share with you that this is a concept which you can use and you can make whatever size you like. You can make small little ones, you can make big ones. You can even just make it like an invitation card. If you want to make, say, invites, say 10 people or 15 people, you make 10, 15 small ones and send it as an invite. That also will look very interesting. Yeah. So, Sujata, ऊपर का sticker हटा देना.
Yeah.
वो नहीं तो वो sticker रह जाता है तो बहुत भद्दा लगता है. Actually, the sticker should have been removed in the beginning. I didn't realize it till you showed me the shut one. And I hope you know that the stain of the sticker should be removed with little oil. Yeah. I mean, that was a technical error which I just realized that we should remove the sticker first. Anyway, we all learn. So this is just a concept, and then if you want to make it a little more dramatic, you can put one or two butterflies or anything that adds to your imagination, and just make it like a little bit of a
Or a toadstool which Preeti made yesterday, small ones,
something like
mushrooms, frogs.
I just wanted to share with you that this is a concept which
Yes,
you can develop and use it in your own way, and it's one of the very, very simple designs which you can do. So I thought you would really enjoy it. And I posted pictures of the Rangoli and the little band-aid bracelet which I made also on the chat. So have a look and try it and enjoy it. So I hope we've all had a good morning today. Interesting, fun working morning. And thanks to Lily.
We can add some gypsophilia if we have.
Yes,
It's a wonderful morning, ma'am.
You can add gypsophilia, any other small flowers you have.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kavita ji.
But don't make it messy. You see,
Yes.
the thing is that when we add too many materials, we tend to make it messy. It's a small area. You have to keep neat. And that little blank area at the back is very, very important. People, try to fill up things. No, you need that blank area to highlight the base. So that blank area which we've left has got a meaning. So please remember that that blank area has to be left blank. Don't try to feel that, oh my God, yahan par ye bhi laga dein, if you put this there, that there. No. Let it be blank. Let it be, give it that breathing space that you want. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kavita ji.
Wonderful. Thank you so
And
much,
I
Kavita
really-
ji.
Yeah, and liked
I'm
all
sure
your
you
tips,
will-
especially
you
the
will now
Band-Aid
come up
one.
with newer ideas and share. This is just one concept, and then you all can do it and develop it in your own way.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It was wonderful meeting you. Thank you.
Any
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Lovely.
Very nice one.
I love the Band-Aid
The
idea.
Band-Aid one was the best.
I know, I'm making the Band-Aid for my
Making the Band-Aid
brothers.
for Rakhi now. I'm going to make
Yeah,
the Band-Aid
For my
Rakhi.
brothers.
Yeah.
Please do.
And somebody
Amazing,
asked,
amazing
what is this?
ideas.
Can I just ask? Somebody asked, what are these orange dried things in the question box?
Which
So those
orange
are the
dried things?
baby's breath only, which you put on the Band-Aid by. Those are baby's breath. They are colored orange.
No, the orange one is that nutmeg wala thing.
No,
It's
nutmeg
maize,
neither
actually.
chote
It's
flowers which you
Oh,
put
that
in
is
the,
that you get these dried baby's breath, which you remember.
and you just dye it orange then.
And dyed yellow. It's yellow.
It's
It's yellow.
It's
Okay.
yellow. It's yellow.
Then it's
beautiful.
dyed yellow.
This is what we picked up. Remember last time when Pooh had come that time. This is from leftovers from many odds and ends. I had these few little ones left over, so I used it.
I must tell you all, we all had gone to Kodai from our school, alumni group. And when we went for the trek, all of us were just hunting for these dry things, and we all picked them up and we got them. And then Mrs. Kavita Bai picked up one whole carton full of stuff, and then she made some nice memorabilia for all of us and she gave it to us.
How sweet. So
Mhm,
thoughtful.
so nice.
So thoughtful.
No,
And
the
we
thing is
picked
that,
up moth
remember, Sujata, you were not there in that Simla thing.
No, I wasn't. I was there for Kandaghat.
Yeah, you were there. Now remember when we picked up all those moth-eaten leaves?
Yes, that's why I'm saying moth-eaten leaves we had picked up. That was in Kanatal, I think. was
Kanatal,
it?
yeah. So that was the best. And then Reva couldn't get over it. She said, I remember Reva's reaction. So you never know what catches your eye. What I mean to say is that it's just a journey, it's an experience, and you open your eyes and then you do something, then somebody else adds something to it. So it's all a fun journey together, frankly.
And you wonder, why are you collecting all those dried leaves and things like that? And you come back home with all that, and your husband will say, "Kya kachra leke aaye hai?" But
नहीं वो husband को तो कभी
Now our
दिखाना
husbands
नहीं
have got used to this
Yeah, yeah.
kachra now.
But I just wanted to share this Band-Aid. I thought of it today morning. I said I love it for the reason that it's very practical, and the best is nobody says I'm allergic to it. Otherwise, nowadays this allergy thing has become a big issue with everybody.
Yeah, very true, very true.
Yeah. So, and whatever you do, it's so skin friendly, and you can just make it and keep it. You don't need to, if you make it with dry material, whenever you are sitting and you've got little odds and ends, you can make a few and keep it in a box. Best is to wrap it in tissue and keep it. When you wrap it in tissue and keep it, it's, I think, the best way, and in a non-plastic box. That's the best way to
You
keep
all
it.
were involved today. I was not watching. Kavita and
Yeah.
Lovely, beautiful morning spent, ma'am. Thank you so much, Kavita, ma'am.
Thank you.
And Lily,
pleasure.
thank you for all your, you were so appreciative. You kept us all like feeling so good. Thank you so much.
Very, very engaging.
Managed.
Yeah, very engaging, Kavita ji. Thank you.
Nice encouragement from Lily. Thanks.
Yeah.
In fact, thank you so much. And this flower that you used is very commonly found in Chennai, grown in almost every house. The Tamil name is Vadamalli. You get this in white also.
Yeah.
And if anybody wants to grow and they're not able to find the plant, just retain these flowers. Once it dries, just pluck it and spread it in your pots. You'll get your saplings growing.
Wow, okay. So
okay.
that's exciting for you.
Okay,
So,
that's nice.
so you can just grow this and use these again and again in the gardens.
Thank you, Anju. Thank you for that tip. Yeah.
Kavita ji,
It was
thank
a
you
lovely
so much.
tip,
Lily,
Anju.
thank you so much.
Most welcome.
Amazing workshop. Amazing workshop.
Excellent workshop. Thank you.
Thank you.
It was so
Thank you.
sweet and so encouraging and loving. It's like, you can do it. Thank you. Just love your attitude and calmness. It's just got into all of us. Thank you.
No, it's actually, I tell you something, the moment you're working with nature, when you're working with plants or anything, it gives you a very joyful feeling. So when you're with, that's what I'm sure you all plant lovers and green lovers always feel that it doesn't matter what form it is in. It's just that nature gives you that inner joy. So I think that's it. That's what when we share, we enjoy it. And you must try and make something for yourself whenever. It's quite easy to make. That's why I introduced you to all the steps of how I did it, so that you can make it for yourself.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm sure with this
And we all
workshop, we'll
pose
be
now.
able to create many more designs like this.
Yeah, absolutely.
Kavita ji, do you have any tips how to put fresh flowers in these bottles? We have a lot of glass bottles at home. So just some different arrangement, or do you have an Instagram page or something which we can follow for ideas and
We have
tips?
a Facebook page of Pushpa Bitan, but if you go to Pinterest, you'll find lots of interesting things, frankly.
There's an Insta page also of Pushpa Bitan.
There's an Insta page also. Okay.
Yes.
If you could share it in the group, it would be great.
Please share it now.
Yes, I'll just do
Insta page dono kar de. But the main thing is that you see, there's no set formula. You have to discover it for yourself. That as you go on a journey. I mean, everybody has their own thing. Like many people, what they do is that they wind ropes and things at the base of the bottles. Natural coconut ropes, coconut rassi and things like that. Rassi. And they this is the bottle, so much is wound. And then they just put in a few stems. And you have a variety of sizes and things. So that adds a little texture to the thing. And you intersperse it with little mini pots or anything also. But another thing which I recommend is that when you're beginning, don't mix too many elements together. Work with fewer elements, work with fewer plant materials, and go for repetition rather than trying to show that, oh, I know this also and I know that also. You get my point? Like in this also, if you notice, we've used just few materials.
Less is more. Less is more.
Less is more.
And besides that, because you're a beginner, don't overdo things and try to say, oh my God, I have to do this also, that also. No. And it's like when you start to cook, you want to cook everything together. You don't do that. If you're making Chinese, you make Chinese. If you're making Indian, you make Indian. It's like that. You don't make, okay, I'll make one thing Chinese, one thing Indian, and one thing continental. That doesn't complete a meal. So what I'm trying to say is that just do little, take baby steps and try. And then if you go wrong, no problem. We've also learned by our mistakes only.
The next time I make an art, I'll put it on Insta and tag you, and then you can give your comments.
Sure. Or you can send it to me on my personal thing, no problem.
Thank you so much.
Anytime. Anybody has any thoughts, any suggestions you need, you can always ask me. I'll be very happy to share that.
Yes, Rati.
Yeah, hi. Thank you so much, Kavita ji. I think I'm such a impatient person. I'm sure you would have noticed it today. The way I was finishing so fast, but you've got me hooked on to this hobby. Thank you so much for taking us through this morning. Enjoyed. I'm sure each and every one of us enjoyed every moment of it. Thank you so much. And I'm Sujata. You must organize more of these workshops for us. Yes.
Yes, surely.
Yeah, yeah.
Our pleasure.
And thank you so
Sujata,
much for
we are-
introducing us to to Kavita ji. And of course, Lily, you have a name to match, your hobby. What a pretty name. What a
Yes.
lovely name. Yeah.
Thank
you
you.
so much for, overseeing all of us, how we are doing it and your encouraging words. And at least I felt very encouraged, with what you had to say. And thank you so much, and looking forward to working with you once again, both Kavita ji and you, Lily. Yeah, thank you all so much.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Thank
And it's been a real honor, I would say, to share whatever we know with all of you. And you must try the Rangoli. It's quite easy. I'm sure you
Wonderful,
can.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes, we will.
Definitely.
Yes, we will. Yeah.
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you very
everyone.
much. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you so much. Happy birthday, Shailaja.
Thank you.
Shaila, happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank
She's
you
there.
very
Oh,
much.
Shailaja.
Shaila, happy birthday, Shaila.
Happy birthday from all of us.
Yes.
Very much happy birthday.
For you today.
I know.
Shaila, you're getting 5 boxes of this gifts today.
Exactly.
Thank you. That's really nice.
At least
I have to
minimum of
call
5.
one of you now to understand the starting point. I came when all of you were showing only.
Okay.
It's recorded. It's recorded.